right now this room has 2 entrance points, and it's actually creating a lot of like wastage in this area. This is all wasted space. And I really think that the natural light flowing through is kind of minimal. So I feel like I'd rather put pot lights here, close off the wall. Will also allow us to capitalize on the interior of this room so we can have a corner desk on the inside. Now this wall here is actually set back a little bit, so we're planning to build this out and put some niches in. And then for the office, I'm super pumped because we'll have a center desk. We'll have the assistant's desk in the corner because this wall is now going to be closed up. The light fixture has now been installed. I'm actually really pleased how this light fixture looks. It looks awesome. We ordered it online and I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out, but it turned out really good. Now, behind the desk, so the desk is going to be center to the room. That white wall is actually going to get this beautiful mural, and the mural has an African kind of tribal feel to it, but it's still like black and white, so we're really looking forward to that. So the corner desk is complete. It just needs to get cleaned up. And we're gonna have, likely we'll have another wallpaper wrapping around, and then we just need to accessorize the space. So this should come together fairly quickly.